I've walked by this since I was a little girl, like for decades, and I was shocked to hear and see that they are demolishing a part of the White House. And then upon, further investigation, I found out they're demolishing it to build a ballroom. I'm astonished. It's pretty upsetting. Number one, I don't know that this is something clearly that the public has a right to know and to weigh in on, because this is America's house. This house does not belong to any one official. It belongs to the people. And so if you're going to, demolish a part of this house, you have to ask the people permission. This is a historic landmark building. I have no idea how they were able to even get the permission to do this demolition, and to do it in such a sort of furtive, clandestine way under cover of darkness. It's kind of bizarre. It's just kind of shocking. So yeah, I'm definitely startled, taken aback, and hopefully now that the people know that this was something in the works, even in the aftermath, hopefully people can weigh in on it, and there may have to be some sort of repercussions. This is not acceptable.
I think everything that's happening here is pretty shocking and not a great sign of the times.
All over the time, but it's just a developer doing what a developer does and trying to not caring about anything except their own profit and image. And we have a developer as a president, so he can do that to the White House.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.